Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Syracuse, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves involve transporting your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more. We provide interstate and intrastate relocation services. That means we can transport your belongings to any distance of your choice. Also, we encounter no issues while at it. Our smooth operation is because of our excellent working relationship with state and federal relocation authorities. Also, we have set up insurance coverage for our clients. This insurance covers any risk liabilities throughout the trip. Also, our movers are also good at what they do. They're organized, cautious, and efficient. Our moving trucks are also the best standards. They move your belongings over long distance with no issues. In Syracuse, we are the top leading moving firm, and our local movers are dependable, punctual, and efficient. Locals can count on us to deliver even with a short moving timeline. We specialize in urgent moves, and our moves are error-free. Also, our pricing system is transparent and affordable. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Syracuse moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.